Greetings, hello, it is V from V Love and Crystals. I hope you are well by the time you see this. I post daily readings, I do picker cards, I do deck reviews and modifications. I also collaborate with other tarot channels, so please subscribe so you don't miss any of that fun stuff. So I have this deck review on Nature's Whispers, and there are 50 cards in this one by Blue Angel Productions, and pretty box. You know, I just want to show you everything. Nice guidebook. We have this, not colored, but pictures in here. This one's, let's look up the number, 23. Before we get into the cards, I'll show you really quick. I love the backing. It matches this backing. Very pretty. So we have the color, I mean not the color, but the picture. The same message here, and then we have more in depth. A message that's more in depth. The only way you can accept, respect, and cherish others is by accepting, respecting, and cherishing you. Accept praise and credit when it's given to you. When you learn to be accepting, you allow your true potential to blossom. You claim your worth and reflect that light to others. When you see yourself in this light, other people cannot help but respond to your personal sense of value. As you strive toward more self-love each day, you will find yourself infused with new energy. It is okay to walk away from relationships that minimalize or hurt you. Enjoy and love who you are. But look at this art. I fell in love with the arts more than anything. It's just so beautiful. So I'll leave you with the music, and you can really take it in, and you can read the words if you want to. All right, and this last one, ideal course of action. Oh, look at that. Look at that thing on her back. Oh, so, so sweet. Dandelions. Gorgeous. Little flamingos down here. And I love the backing. I think that's probably why I chose this out of all her decks. With the art, of course, but the backing, I love butterflies. So if you combine the, you know, tarot, which is this probably the same size as the Rider-Waite, or maybe a little skinnier, but you get to see how big they are compared to the tarot. And I will shuffle. So let's give a nice little reading for you all. This is such a beautiful deck. So yeah, I can't wait to modify this, make it my own. All right, let's see. What does it collect into here? Yes. Shuffle, beautiful, little beautiful shuffle, shuffle. And the paper, I'm sorry, the Be Spontaneous. There you go. Very, very smooth. Like, not as smooth as the Rider-Waite Smith cardstock, but I would say on that spectrum, very, very good quality. I love it. Very flexible, and it's pretty thick. So that's what I have for you. Thank you for being here. Yeah, don't be afraid to be spontaneous with your oracles and your tarot and your intuition. Right? So thank you for watching. This is going to go on my deck reviews playlist. We are also on Patreon if you would like to support this channel. Keep this energetic tarot fun train going. Your support would mean so much. Check out the perks over on Patreon so you get something in return to say thank you for your channel support. I have voting polls. I have monthly mingles. I also do one-card draws. If you'd like to join us, we would love, 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 love to welcome you to our little tribe over there. Thank you for being here, and the link will be down below. I'll see you next time.